Hi there and welcome everyone to a new Raqmedia tutorial here with Izzadeen. In today's video I will be showing you how to download and install Java Development Kit or JDK. Welcome back. If you are facing problems downloading the new Java Development Kit, especially if you are using softwares which require this program, such as Android Studio, which require this development and runs on it. To download this kit, we need just to head on to the Java portal, and from it we head on to downloads. You will find the links on our website raqmedia.com or under in the video description below. So it's very simple. As we said, you will find different versions of this program, and the latest one is JDK 13, which is in here, standard edition. Let's click on download it. Few seconds. See this security message, so just scroll down. What we need to do here is accept the license agreement, just tick it, and as we said, here you will find the different operating systems available, so Linux, Mac OS and Windows, which run in different binaries. So just select your system and you will find the different versions, whether the .exe or the zip file. So we'll just select exe, Windows 64, click on it. Then if you are facing this problem with the IDM, then just ignore it and download with the default downloader of your browser. In our case, we just press Ctrl button and we will get it by the default downloader of the browser. Let's try again. Great, that's it. So as you can see, this is the program JDK 13, Windows 64. Well done. It's 160 megabytes. So just click on save the file and wait until it finishes. Then we proceed into the installation. So we'll stop in here and continue after download is finished. Okay, so as you can see, the file here is finished downloading and we can just click on it to open it by default. Wait a few seconds until it starts.
www.raqmedia.com.
Be patient and try to close the other applications which are running in the background, as it is in our case in here the Firefox. Let's close it. Great. And the program has started installation. As I said, this is the latest one. So you'll find more features, better updates. Let's click on next. Great, here you can change the default folder, installation folder. Keep it as it is. Next. And wait for the program to be installed until the progress bar finishes. It may take few seconds or minutes, just be patient. And voila, so Java has been successfully installed. And click next steps to access tutorials, documentation, developer guides, etc. Or you just close and you start using it or using the program that requires it. And that's it. Hope that was helpful. If you still have any issues or questions, just comment them below and keep tuned for coming tutorials. This is your host Azadeen. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com.
Bye for now, see you next video.